we're going to the family reunion
2025. So if you want to come along with the journey with us,
tune in and comment below which one is awesome. Bye! See you on the flip side.
Okay guys, we just got to the destination. Yay! This is our bed. And this is our cabin.
Wait, this is me trying to stand.
This is me trying to stand. Run! Oh shit! Okay, bro.
109, you drunk.
We're driving.
That's me.
Wait,
Oh my god! Oh, 0.08, go to bed.
I got higher than him.
0.08 is legal. Is not what it's all cracked up to be. Yeah. You guys could drive. Trust me.
Fire safe.
I'm passing the phone with the person with the Crocs on, and he's low-key white as hell.
Okay. I'm passing the phone to someone who has a resting fucking huge bitch face.
Okay.
I'm passing the phone to somebody that came to the family reunion that's not a part of the family reunion.
I'm Reese.
You have a little
And
tongue,
I'm
you is not black.
I'm Reese.
Like you
I passed the phone to someone who's arguing with a little girl.
That would be mean.
Do backflip, do backflip. This is us right now. By the way, guys, take a look. Quite grounded. Okay, go. Wait, you want to?
Hurry up.
We're going to Sedona. We're waking up at 11:30. And we're gonna go to Sedona and we're gonna get this. Yes, we are gonna do this. Yeah, so be prepared. What's up, gang? We're in Sedona, and today we're going cliff jumping.
It's T-Dog.
T-Dog.
We're doing that 50-footer.
50-footer?
It's gonna be breezy.
Did you guys
Hold
jump
that.
from here?
Woo! Do a gator. Oh! Okay.
Here's the rundown of the day.
Here's the rundown of lately. Okay, so.
Okay, so stop pointing at me. You just want to.
Okay guys, so tonight what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something lit, because guess what? It's our cousin Jesse's, well, one of our cousins, and not my cousin. And we're going out for his birthday because he's about to turn 21 at 12 in the morning. Hey, do my little dance, Go out to the bars, but not Lily though, because she's not 21. Cry. Where?
Last illegal shot for you.
It's your birthday, bitch. Fucking up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fucking up if it's your birthday, bitch. Birthday, bitch.
They're not good. Birthday rides end up on the ground.
21, 21, 21, 21. Watch this.
Happy birthday, fucker.
Okay, guys. It's our last day, and we're feeling really sad. How do you feel? How do you feel? And we're in Vegas. We're on this straight up. We're in Vegas. Hey. Yep, that's us if you didn't know.
You did. Fail.
But the freaks only come out at night, and as you can see,
but honestly,
the
can
sun
I
is
just
still
say,
up.
can I just say,
We're probably gonna go to Fremont, so we'll show you guys when we get there. And bow, bow, bow. That's all I gotta say. Bow, bow, bow.
Bow.
All right, guys, we're in
Vegas, we're in Vegas.
Now take a look at this though.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched the lady burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched the lady burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. Different road. I'm in the Milky Way. You want me down on Earth, but I am up in space. You're so damn hard to please. We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s bitch. I love it. I love it. I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the
I heard he just turned 21 years old.
He just did.
You want the next song?
Yeah, he does.
Song, what you gonna play? It's your birthday.
For Jesse's birthday.
Anything you want.
On a real note though, guys, we had a blast. And if you liked this video, like and subscribe. So,
Yeah. Guys, if you didn't know, I'm just a little bit of a sad little munchkin, if you didn't know.
she's feeling a little sad.
I'm just a little sad.